Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Asia Mone't. Welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. All right, so let's get into the video. So right here, I'm just showing you the bleach and the developer that I use. I am going to do an ombre look on this T-part wig today. Okay, this hair is from Super Style, and right here I'm just showing you just like how I do my bleach. You know, it's just messy. I'm getting it everywhere, so yeah. Just be careful or get a bigger bowl when doing this. I actually had too much bleach, so I ended up doing the knots on this wig and the knots on another wig that I'm about to install next. So getting into the hair, it came in this cute little pink package. Okay, it was so cute. And then the silk. Okay, yes, hair, Super Style. Get into it, period. If you hear anything in the back, it's my kids. Okay. So this is the first ever hair vendor that I've worked with that has given me nails, press-on nails, and let me tell you, they are so pretty. I don't even wear nails that's so long, honey, but listen, I'm gonna get into it with these. But this is a 20-inch hair. I'm just showing you how the hair came packaged and how it looks. The lace is pretty. Oh my god, my kids, it's just loud. Oh my goodness. And they outside. But anyways, back to the video. So I'm just showing you that this is a T-part, honey. Don't get it confused. 3 combs and adjustable straps, period. And I'm gonna go in and bleach these knots because I had so much bleach left over. So after I get done ombreing, you will see me do that. So right here, I'm just, you know, putting the bleach all along the bottom. I don't want a lot because, you know, I didn't know how much bleach was gonna go over all the hair. Because, you know, curly hair, you can miss one strand and mess up the whole thing when you're doing ombre. So I'm just doing the top, the bottom, the inside, the outside, honey, flipping it over and then flipping it over again and coating it and opening it up and then doing it sideways and vertical. I'm just trying to make sure I get this bleach everywhere, okay? Because I do not want no black spots nowhere at the end of this hair. So yes, you will see me just flipping it every which way to make sure I got the bleach all over the place, all over the bottom, period. Because I don't want to mess it up. And I still have bleach left over, so I was good. Hey y'all, what's up again, period. Okay, so we're not using no crochet needle to put all these little braids up in the back. We just not gonna do it. But listen, my braids came out real flat. Love to see it. It's just the back, you know, what we gonna do with it. Boom, figured it out. Get some bobby pins, right? You following? Get some bobby pins, pin them bitches up, period, and you know, do the other side and make sure it's real tight, you know, good grip. Everything is flatty on. If I ain't taught you nothing, girl, I just taught you something, period. So here's how the ombre came out, just how I wanted to, just on the ends, honey. Okay, not too much, not too little. Okay, period. So yeah, I'm just fitting the wig on my head. I must got a big old head because listen, like these wigs have not been doing it for my head. Like they ain't been fitting. I don't know what's going on. But anyways, I'm just cutting the top of the lace off because who needs all the lace? Why is there so much lace? Huh? Why is there so much lace up there? They do that every time. I can't even see what the hell I'm doing. But anyways, just cut that lace off, cut your ear tabs off, and cut the lace off in the front. Just follow along your hairline. Just, you know, get some sharp scissors and follow your hairline. And don't rush, okay? Because you don't want to cut off, you know, something that you might need, okay? So of course I'm getting my alcohol, okay? Can't do an install without it. okay? Been sweating and working all day. You need something. So I'm going in with my good old trustworthy Got to Be Glued spray. I want to try to even spray it. I'm determined to get that this weekend so I could do it on my next install, okay? Because I heard good things about that. And this one doesn't hold down my ear tabs like I wanted to. Or maybe because my head is big that the ear tabs don't, want to fit. But anyway, yeah, I'm just going to spray this and I'm blow dry it on down. Now for that extra melts, listen, I only had 1 inch of parting space with this T-part, but I got some edges out, okay? I tried. And so yeah, you're gonna want to pluck those baby hairs that came out, but for extra melt, you see what I'm doing. You see it, okay? This is where the real melt comes in. When you spray in between that little space where the baby hairs is, and then you put your band on. Girl, yes, okay? My wig is not moving nowhere, okay? I'm cutting my baby hairs because I couldn't really see, still can't see that good, but anyways, yeah, I'm just leaving a little bit of length up there so I can be able to curl the baby hairs. But for right now, I'm gonna straighten my part and do my curly hair routine. But the first thing I do is get my mousse. This is the LiQWYD. I'm almost out. Gotta get some more because that is the best mousse ever. And the Nairobi is kind of expensive. So yeah, I'm gonna put the mousse on my hair, spray the hot comb with some spritz, just to get it a little sizzled up. And I'm gonna get into it. And it's just gonna flatten the top of your wig because we do not want no bumpy, lumpy wig, honey. Period. We want that flat install, okay? No lumps, no bumps. Get into it. So I'm starting off with water. This spritzer or whatever it's called, the mister, it's just bomb. Like, you don't have to keep spraying. You just hit it once and it's just, spraying the whole head. Like, in 20 seconds, the whole head was wet. Less than that. But right here, I'm just showing you that I got the Eco Styler Gel and the curling cream, the Cantu curling cream. And I got the Cantu leave-in, and that paired together works wonders on my natural hair. So I just used it on my weave. I just used the curling cream, and then after that, I used the Eco Styler Gel. And this is curly hair, so you're gonna get a little bit of shedding. And I processed the ends. So you just wanna make sure you get the ends really good, okay? Moisturize the ends. Since you bleached and processed them, it's gonna be a little drier, so it needs a little bit more moisture. Yeah, I was so scared I was gonna burn myself. Look at me. Yeah, that's why you gotta keep the hair long and then you cut it and then you tweeze it or whatever and customize it, okay? Because who wants to burn themselves? Okay, not me, period. You can see that clearly. come for the size of my baby hair. I tried, okay? I'm seeing a little bit of come on now. A little bit of an improvement, okay? Don't come for me. You can't even see it. So, period. I don't know what the hell that sure look crazy in the back with my sports bra on. I'm just not seeing that. But anyways, yeah. Get into it. Period. A for effort, okay? I'm getting better at my baby hairs because, girl, you should sing. I can't even talk right now. Bye, y'all. I'm gonna come back. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my silly self. I know I'm so goofy. The more comfortable I get, the more, goofy I get with y'all. Okay, so just don't take me too seriously because I'm learning just like how y'all learning and just how y'all watching videos. I'm doing the same exact thing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.